In today's video, let me show you how to fix Google Meet camera not working. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the camera permission is allowed within the application. So simply tap and hold the app of Meet, head over to the eye icon. Once you're on the settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the camera option is set to allow. If this was set to deny, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of Google Meet. Head over to storage, and then right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear all data. Once you complete this second step as well, make sure you remove the Google Meet application from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is now solved. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is look for new updates. Head over to the Play Store, search for Google Meet, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.